What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple remedy that would throw you back, like that would make your skin really smooth, that would actually leave you looking younger. Okay, so this home remedy, it's actually very simple. You have to apply it more than once and twice and you would see a huge result. So if you're having dark spots, if your skin is pigmented, if you're having dark patches, if you have fine lines, apply this and you're going to love it. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on that bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any question, do that on my website and drop your comment below. Alright, let's dive into the video. Now one of our ingredients is going to be toothpaste, and toothpaste is very healthy and also very important for the skin. Now one among all of the things it does is that it gets rid of pimples, and it also helps to remove age spots. It helps also to clear up blackheads and whiteheads. So it's going to be very beneficial when you use it alongside with other natural remedy. So we're going to be making use of egg. Egg is a natural skin tightener and it helps to firm up a loose and saggy skin. Combining egg with paste and other natural remedy that I'm going to be showing you would work effectively in glowing up your skin. It will prevent your skin from developing fine lines and wrinkles because it's going to increase the elasticity and the collagen of your skin. And then we're going to also be making use of tomato. Now tomato works really great for the skin. It helps to remove unwanted hair, it helps to smoothen out the skin, it helps to remove dark spots, and it also works so well in removing dark knuckles, dark elbow, and pigment. And then we're going to be making use of yogurt. Now yogurt is loaded with lactic acids. It is great for improving the skin elasticity, and it also increases the skin collagen level, therefore preventing you from breaking out. So we're going to be taking a bowl and we're going to be putting in a good amount of toothpaste, okay, to go around the face. Then we're going to be breaking in the egg and we're going to be putting just the egg whites, okay? So I'm actually going to be opening it this way and then pouring in just the whites. I hope just the whites will come out. Yeah, it's coming out. Oh, that's a very smart way of doing that. Now we're going to be pouring in about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of yogurt, okay, because we need the lactic acid so well. Then tomato, we're going to be blending just a little quantity of tomato. I'm going to be putting in into a blender, and then cover it up, plug the cord, and blend. Properly blended, then we're going to transfer everything into the blender, into the bowl. So what we're gonna do is to mix and mix it very well. So we're going to give it a little time for it to mix very well. Now the combination of all of this remedy or ingredients is going to be superb. So this is perfect, and now let's go to apply this. Hi guys, you want to transform your skin? Now use this. Look at how it is. Let me show you. Like, it's actually so super friendly. Like, if you don't want to use toothpaste, you can actually replace toothpaste with rice, like rice powder or the boiled rice. You apply this onto your skin generously, and it feels really cool. Oh my god, oh my goodness, it feels really cool. Oh, now let me tell you, the toothpaste in it is just going to give your skin this, look at it's just gonna give your skin this minty thing. Okay, so you apply this generously, avoiding your eye area. Okay, avoid your eye area. Make sure you avoid that area. Generous application would be fine. Alright, so after applying this, okay, then you can actually hold it on for a little while, and then you can just scrub. If you're actually having blemishes on your face and you want to get rid of all of that, then you just give it a little massage. But if there's nothing on your face, you just want to wake up your face and you just want to glow, you want your skin to be super duper polished, then you don't actually need to scrub. But for me, I really need to scrub because I've actually not scrubbed for today. And when scrubbing, you have to be very gentle, okay? Because the skin on the face is very sensitive, so you don't need to stress it too much. Just a very gentle scrub will do the job. Just a very gentle scrub will make it work really fine. Okay, so after that, then you can hold it on for as long as you can, approximately 5 minutes. Don't let it go beyond 5 minutes. Then you wash it. Trust me guys, when you wash it off, man, you are gonna be loving the way your skin is gonna be feeling. That's number one. The way your skin is gonna be looking, that's number two. And mean, you're just gonna be loving it because it's just going to be very smooth. Like, go try it and let me know how it is. Like, I'm actually not joking here. So, if you scrub, then the next thing you do before you wash, you can just apply again. It's gonna be so cooling because of the paste, the Colgate toothpaste. It's going to be very, 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 very cooling. So after doing that, then you have to wait for no more than 5 minutes to go wash it off. So I'll go wash mine off and I'll be right back. So guys, that's it. Use that. um, be a little patient and continually use that, and your result is going to be very visible. Your result is going to be very beautiful and you are gonna be happy. Okay, so try it and let me know. Okay, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below, share this video, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon in my next video. And thank you for watching. Bye guys. Mwah.